You are going to love the 2023 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.